In a 2023 Mazda CX-5 like this one, if you have cracked side view mirror glass on either mirror, whether it's the passenger one or the driver one, the good news is you don't have to replace the entire side view mirror. I'll put an affiliate link in products to buy replacement glass, and I'll explain how you put that on. When you get the replacement glass in the mail, almost like if you were doing a temporary tattoo, there's a backing on it, and you peel that off, and then it will reveal the sticky side of it. So come back over to the mirror and make sure that you scrape off all of the cracked glass. Throw that out. The mirror is then just a black piece of plastic, the backing, and you'll take that new glass and you affix it right on. Obviously, you make sure it goes in the direction. It's just like doing shapes as a little kid. So you orient it the way that the mirror looks. And again, you purchase it for either the driver's side or the passenger side, and then it will just stick right on. You need to check too to see if you have a heated mirror or not. And I'm not quite sure how that works, but again, I'll put an affiliate link to purchase the glass for a 2023 Mazda CX-5.